Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of owls, the silent hunters of the night. With their mysterious nature, extraordinary abilities, and crucial role in nature, owls are truly some of the most remarkable creatures on Earth. Are you ready to discover their secrets? Let's begin.
Part 1. The mysterious symbol of owls. Owls have been symbols of wisdom, mystery, and sometimes even omens in many cultures throughout history. In ancient Greece, the owl was the sacred bird of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Their ability to see in the dark and fly silently makes them unique in the animal kingdom. There are over 200 species of owls worldwide, some tiny enough to fit in your hand, while others can spread their wings nearly 2 meters wide. Part 2. Incredible vision and hearing. Unlike most birds, owls have forward-facing eyes, giving them excellent depth perception, just like humans. Their eyes can't move in their sockets, so to look around, they can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Their ears are often asymmetrical, one slightly higher than the other, which allows them to pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from, even in complete darkness. This makes them expert hunters, able to detect the faintest sound of a mouse rustling in the grass. Part 3. The secret of silent flight. An owl's feathers are specially designed to reduce noise during flight. The leading edges of their wings have tiny comb-like structures that break up turbulence. This means owls can fly almost completely silently, surprising their prey without being noticed. They are, quite literally, nature's quietest hunters. Part 4. Family life. Most owls are very protective parents. They nest in tree holes, abandoned nests, or even cliffs. Owl chicks grow quickly, learning to hunt in just a few weeks. Part 5. Amazing owl diversity. There are over 200 species of owls worldwide. From the tiny elf owl, only 5 inches tall, to the powerful Eurasian eagle owl, one of the largest with a wingspan over 6 feet. Each species has adapted to survive in deserts, forests, mountains, and even cities. Part 6. Threats and conservation. Sadly, many owls face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and hunting. Conservation programs and protected habitats are crucial for their survival. Supporting owl-friendly practices helps keep these amazing birds thriving. Part 7. Hunting and diet. Most owls are nocturnal hunters, feeding on rodents, insects, smaller birds, and even rabbits in the case of larger species. One fascinating fact, they often swallow their prey whole. Later, they regurgitate the indigestible parts, such as bones and fur, in the form of pellets. Scientists study these pellets to learn about what owls eat and how they affect ecosystems. Part 8. Owls' role in nature. Owls help keep ecosystems in balance by controlling rodent populations. Without them, farmlands could be overrun by mice and rats. So, while they may seem mysterious, owls are actually silent guardians of our environment.
And that brings us to the end of our journey into the mysterious world of owls. I hope you found these amazing creatures as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more incredible discoveries about the wonders of nature. Until next time, stay curious.